top here. I'll show you guys how I like to finish off live edge. Now, I kind of like them when they're standing dead. The elm, the bark falls right off. You're left with the inner bark layers. It's really easy to get off. It's pretty soft until you get into the elm, or into the oh, help me out, the sapwood. But a couple ways you can do it. You can take a draw knife and clean all that stuff up. You can take a spoke shave and do the same thing. I like using a gouge. So I go through and it kind of adds a little texture. I love the look. It's a slow boat to China, but the best things in life are, I guess. It gives you just a nice, really nice look. And when you go to finish that off, it looks really sharp. Now I don't push hard. I don't try to take a lot off at once. Just a little bit. Let the gouge do the work. If you run into spots where you dig in a little bit, you just hit it from the other side and clean those up. See if I can do it without knocking the camera around. You don't have to do a lot. Now when I'm done, I don't even really sand this. It's going to stay rough. It's not even really that rough, but anyway, that's just how I like to do it. Oh, stubborn patch right there. Been a long time since I've done this, but anyway, that's her. So thought you guys might like to see how we're doing that. Probably about 20 minutes, half an hour, I'll have this edge done, if that. So I mean, I guess it really isn't that slow. I really like the results you get from doing it. Alright, there it is, folks. That is the edge of that cleaned up with a 1.5" gouge. It goes pretty good, especially if it's good and dry, been dead for a while. It actually cleans up super easy. I mean, if your gouge or whatever you're using is really sharp, it comes off nice. It comes off nice and clean. I really love the texture that a gouge leaves on a live edge. Like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of live edge. I like this. I like this look quite a bit. I mean, once this thing's done, that'll probably be the first thing somebody's seen it's going to notice. They're going to notice that thing. Oh, the rain's starting, guys. You can tell we don't have insulation yet. There it goes. But anyway, just little things like that really dress it up a little bit. We'll see how much of this gets drowned out by the rain. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this one. We're just going to keep plugging away on it. See what happens. So you guys have a good night. Happy New Year, and I'll catch you on the next one.